Hi, George here. Premiere Elements has a new way of working with text, and that's the ability to use and customize text styles. If you go back up here to the Text and Templates panel, go back into Edit and to our Type tool. Let's just put in some text. And I'll convert this just to a standard typeface. Let's go up here to Arial Black right here, and I'll make this a bit larger so it's easier to see. Make it a pretty good size. There we go. We now have some new ways to work with just your regular text. And that's the new text style templates and browser. So we're in the titles and shapes section and come down here. There's a new drop down that says style. And in here, there are a lot of different styles you can just apply that fast. Just click on the style that you want. And there you go. If you go up here where it says more styles, it gives you the full list of styles right down through here. And as you can see, there are a lot of these styles available, including backgrounds for the text as well. Some have backgrounds, some are just text on a transparent background, but real easy to come in here and just very quickly restyle your text using one of these built-in text styles. There's a little triple arrow here on the side. You can duplicate this. You also can add one to your favorites. So I'll click on this one here. Let's just add this to favorite. It now has a star on here for favorite. We can sort this if you want to alphabetically or most recently used. You also can create your own styles over here based on existing styles. So say I like this style here, but I want to make some changes on this. Let's go back to our edit section and let's change the typeface. There it goes. Come down here to appearance. In appearance, I can change the stroke on this one. Stroke color, let's just make this a much brighter stroke color like that. We can adjust the size of the stroke right here. There's your stroke size. You can also change your background and the shadow as well. So a lot of options in here. Once you have come in and made those, you then can save this as a new style. That's the button right here, add a text style. Let's just create a style from a text selection. I'll just double click on that. There we go. You can give it a name if you want to. I'll call this one green outline, and I'm saving it for this project and also for all projects. Choose OK. Now back up here in style, which is right here. More styles and my styles. And there's the one we just created right there. So very easy to come in here and actually modify these and make your own styles and then use those in other projects down the road. Now, if you want to learn everything about how to use Premiere Elements all in one place without having to search around YouTube, I have a complete video course for this great program, and I'll put a link for that at the top of the description. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, also subscribe, and I'll see you next time.